Hey everybody, welcome back to the Adventure Bus. So we've had a lot going on lately on this guy. We've been working on the kitchen. So today I'm going to take you through some of the updates that I've done and where we're at. So if you've been following along, you know I've been working on the kitchen. So we've got the base cabinets all installed in the kitchen and we're working on the countertops. And I've decided that I'm going to do a waterfall here, which is going to be really nice. So today we're going to get these countertops attached, probably get some of the face cupboards on, and yeah, kind of get this kitchen buttoned up. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just trying to get the screws that they gave me with the cabinets, and hopefully they work with the countertop because some of the screws I have are a little bit too long, but I'm going to have another look around at what I have as well, just to see if there's something a little better than this. Probably not the best option, but see how it goes. Okay, so we've got all of the countertops now screwed down, so it is super solid. We did a waterfall design over here. There you go. And now, the next plan is to cut a hole in here so we can put in the sink. So let's get started.
hours later.
Okay, so I'm installing the sink now, and you have to get those guys clipped to the rail of this sink. So I have to go around now and clip all of those in. And I don't know if there's a really good angle to show you. Basically, you get this guy here, you push it forward, and that's what it looks like. And you kind of wiggle it around up in here, like so, and clip it to a track. So I'm gonna get all those done. Okay, so I've got quite a bit done here. Got the sink in, got the tap in, obviously not plumbed yet underneath. Putting in these drawers now. So they are the Max Amera drawers from IKEA, and they're actually not that hard to assemble, so let's get to it.